Chances are you're watching this video because you want to know how to make money online or how to work from home. Well, you're in the right place because inside of this very video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I was able to make over $500 in a single day just using my laptop in about an hour or so. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the video, my friend. Now, first off, let me share with you some proof so you can see that I am actually making money. And then I'm going to walk you through how anyone, no matter their background, no matter if they have any previous experience, no matter if, they're 18 years old or 80 years old, from all four corners of the world, how you can also plug into this and start getting some great results. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in one of the accounts that I receive payments in. And you can see right here, Garrett Berry. Okay, that's my name, and this is my actual account. And as you can see right here, in one day, okay, the 11th right here, which was yesterday at the time of recording this, I was actually able to make a total of $525. Okay, now what exactly did I do to do this? Well, I'm going to share with you that right now. It's actually incredibly easy. See, all I did was I pasted ads. Okay, so I have access to these ads, which I'm going to share with you how you can get access to the same exact ads as you continue to watch this video. But all I did was I pasted ads on social media, okay, sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I pasted those ads, and every time interested people responded to those ads and bought the product that I was promoting, I actually got paid 100% of that money using the opportunity and promoting the certain product that I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay, and that's all I did, and it took me, about an hour. I posted an ad on Instagram. I think yesterday I did, maybe like a post on Facebook, I know, and then on Twitter, I believe I posted on Twitter. And just doing that in about an hour, I had, people respond and people bought the product and I made this money. Okay, so, again, it doesn't matter your background because anyone can really do this. If you have a social media account, you can post and you can start making this money through, this account, or you can easily collect the money through a PayPal account, which takes just 5 minutes to create, and you can start making these deposits on a day-to-day basis. So how do you find out more information, and how do you go ahead and get started with this to access the same exact ads I used, the same product I promoted, so you can start doing this? Again, if you're coachable, if you're willing to learn, and you have about an hour or so in a smartphone or laptop, you can actually do this, okay? So all you want to do, if you're interested, go to the link below or head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com. That's my own personal website. When you go there, it's going to look something like this. Now, this is an application to qualify, and all you want to do is answer. There's going to be some questions, okay, at the bottom, about 3 or 4 questions. Go ahead and select your answer, and you're going to be able to apply and see if you qualify. And if you do actually qualify, which it will let you know in a second or two, then you'll be able to check out more information. You'll be able to see exactly what product we're promoting, what opportunity this is, as well as how you can join at one of the 3 levels and start doing the same thing. Again, it doesn't matter. I just using the information that I've shared with you, I was a struggling waiter about 3 years ago. I had never promoted anything online. I had never done anything like this. I had dropped out of college. I was broke, busted, and disgusted, on the verge of going homeless. And I came across the video on YouTube for whatever reason. Don't ask me. I still don't know. But I felt like I was motivated. I could trust the person I was watching. I could trust the person I was listening to. And I got started at the link below. And in 30 days or so, I was able to quit my waitering job, go full-time from home, and just do this on a full-time basis. And I've been helping so many people from all 4 corners of the world, as you'll see more proof at the link below. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. Go to the link below if you're interested. Get started so you can start making this money, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. God bless, my friend, and I will see you on the next page.